Time, speed, power. In the automotive world of racing, nothing comes close to the blood, sweat, and tears that the drivers put into their cars. From the Indy 500 to Le Mans, racing delivers an unforgettable experience. However, in a mixed gender culture, the female presence is often overlooked. These women devote their life to the passion of cars and the thrill of the race. Competition is always fun and games, but when it is competing for recognition, how does that differ for these racers?
What is your name and what got you into the car culture?
Hi, my name's Courtney. I got into the car culture doing photography, ended up at a drift event at Pikes Peak International Raceway and went for a ride along, and I've been hooked ever since.
My name is Mary, and honestly it started when I first saw Gone in 60 Seconds when I was a little girl. Kind of a silly thing.
Honestly, the atmosphere, it's, I don't know how to explain it really, but there's a lot of good vibes going around. Everyone's there to have a good time. And it's really fun to drive my car out there.
I think it's fun. It's challenging. It's motivating. I've definitely discovered there's things that I can do that I never thought I'd be able to do. And they've pushed me to learn how to do things that I didn't think I could figure out, and I figured out, and it's pretty exhilarating. It's like an adrenaline rush.
At the Slush Motorsports Festival event, this dude was checking out my car, and he's walking around with this girl and telling her about the car, and I just kind of walk up, slowly, and I'm just listening, and he doesn't even acknowledge me at all. And then he looks over and he's like, "Oh, is this your car?" And I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "This is my car." And he's like, "You're tripping," telling me that I'm tripping, that this is my car. And I said, "No, you're tripping, man. This is my car, I drive it." Get a lot of that, and it's just kind of off-putting sometimes because, you work all these hours and time and put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears and money into these things for people to just discredit you like this, and so it's really discouraging sometimes.
Honestly, I'd prefer to be mixed in with the guys. There are some drivers that are, like Courtney, she's amazing. She outperforms the majority of the guys that we drift with. So I think it should be mixed. I think it's a good time having everybody out there together.
Personally, I would prefer to compete against the dudes just because I can show them that I'm just as good as them. It doesn't matter that I'm a girl. It would also be cool though if there was a ladies, so we could see how everyone stacks up against each other, but I would prefer to compete equally across the lines with the guys.
You were a drift instructor at an all-ladies drifting event this past November. How did that make you feel being an instructor to a group of all-women car enthusiasts?
I was pretty nervous at first. Honestly, I kind of got that gut feeling when you get to the track where you kind of am I gonna puke? I might puke right now. But as soon as I got out there, I rode with a few of the girls, and the first time they figured out how to do a donut, it was magical. I definitely felt like I was helping them, and I didn't think that I was a good instructor. I didn't think I was a good teacher. I knew how to do it, but I didn't think I would be able to explain it to them. But once they kind of figured it out, it was an awesome feeling.
So the whole thing started because I wanted to see more girls at our local drift events. Usually there's only 2 or 3, which is awesome, but there should be way more. And I thought maybe giving them an opportunity where it feels safe and it's just girls, no guys to judge anything or whatever, that a lot of people would benefit from it. We actually had a really good turnout at the last ladies drift day. There's 33 registered drivers, so that was pretty sweet. Really cool to see that many girls with their own cars coming out to try to do something they've never done before.
I'd want them to be motivated by it. I want them to be able to approach me. I always looked for a female figure to look up to and get guidance from in this culture, and it's hard to find them. But when you do, it's nice because it's like finding that friend that you kind of connect with and have that common understanding that you're out in the wild with each other. It's it's not a common thing that girls do together. It's kind of like hiking a 14er together. You know, you're out there trying to figure it out. I want them to be able to be pushed by me. I'm a pretty approachable person. I want them to, you know, hop in the car with me when they get there. Even if they don't have a car, I want to teach them how to drift. Sometimes there's girls that show up and they're so excited, but I just want to throw them my keys and teach them how to drive.
I mean, yeah, like definitely would like to be someone's inspiration for, you know, getting into cars. I've taken a lot of little girls for ride-alongs and they're so excited, and it makes my heart warm to see, you know, they're starting young and that they've got the passion for this, and hopefully they continue with it. But I would love to see more younger girls getting involved and taking chances with doing stuff like this.
In the high-speed track of racing, Mary and Courtney are only few of many, each a unique story to tell. The speed of the raceway and the feel of the wheel, these women and others like them pick up the RPMs against more than just the clock. Following what you're passionate for, the power behind the wheel and the speed of the car calls to many.